Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds Cellularline FLICK. So, to change your volume, firstly you need to locate touch areas located at the back side of each earbud. Right here at the top we have them. Now, let me play some song. To increase the volume, you need to press and hold at your right earbud for at least 2 seconds. But be careful with it, because if you press and hold it for at least 3 seconds, you will just turn off your headphones. Yes, it works like this. So press and hold. Now release your finger, press and hold again. Release your finger, press and hold, and release. Let's lower the volume, and you need to use your left earbud. The same situation, you need to press and hold it for at least 2 seconds, and if you press and hold it for 3 seconds, you will just turn off your headphones. Press and hold, press and hold, press and hold. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!